Welcome back, everyone. Here is our WML Gilbert Somerset mantel clock, made somewhere in the 1880s. This original case. The case itself was in disrepair. We dismantled it, cleaned every piece meticulously, refinished the case, and put it back together. Note the beautiful scroll work on top, the columns, and the copper lions on the sides. Now, it had no original brass, so we put a modern movement inside there along with the modern chime, which you heard coming in. It plays the nostalgic Westminster chime. Now, this beautiful Zodiac dial is made by Roxie, and it is an Epoxies by Roxie dial. Let's check out the lions on the sides. You'll see here our copper lions, our Gilbert cast feet, and our copper feet here in the back. Also like to make note of the Somerset logo on the bottom, its original tag, showing you this thing's been a clock for many years. What a gorgeous piece that it has come out to be. Of course, it was beautiful years and years ago, and now we've just brought it back to life. Let's get it in frame here. Guys, can you imagine this on a mantle in your space? Tell us what you think of this beautiful clock. Have a great night.